Hi guys, so today I'm gonna tell you about how to download Wamp-Server and run your first PHP program. So write Wamp-Server on Google, click on the first link that is of the official site only. Let's scroll down. There are options of 64-bit and 32-bit. Mine is of 64-bit only. So you don't have to fill out the form if you don't want to. You can directly download it from the above section. Now the download is gonna start automatically. But I have already downloaded it, so I'm gonna cancel the new one. Now starting the installation. So run. These are the terms and conditions. I agree, and then click on the next one. The installation process is very easy. You just have to click on the next, and now in local disk C it's gonna create a WAMP64 named folder, but I have already installed it, so it's going to say should I reinstall in that part only. So let's cancel out this and actually run a PHP program now. So first of all, let us start the Wamp-Server. These screens might come a lot of times, but don't worry about it. So now let us go to our browser. You can directly write localhost in the URL, but I have Wamp-Server over here, so I'm gonna click on that. Now this is my Wamp-Server homepage, and my projects means your projects is having a for YT named folder. So I'm gonna write for YT in URL after slash. So slash for YT, because that's my folder's name. Now these are the contents that I have in my folder. So first program, hello PHP world. So let us see where that folder is. So in local disk C WAMP64, go to www folder, and there is my folder of for YT, and I have written the program 1.php echo, and a string is passed written as hello PHP world. Echo is used to print the string on the web page, so that's why the output was hello PHP world on the browser when we ran the prog1.php. So thanks a lot for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and all the best for the practicals and exams.